Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codecraft AI Studio. In this channel we are going to learn about the machine learning and artificial intelligence. So I hope you are excited about this. Whatever you are, complete beginner or like you are having some programming experience, I am here to guide you every step. In order to learn machine learning, we have to learn about the Python, okay, SQL, NumPy, pandas, okay, data visualization, statistics, okay, and machine learning, obviously deep learning. So we have to have hand-on experience on this, okay. So we will use Jupyter Notebook, that is a fantastic tool for hands-on coding and experimentation. It called Jupyter, okay, Jupyter, okay. This spelling shouldn't be like this, but they have added py for the Python, to dedicating the Python. So it is the best tool to write the code of Python language. To access Jupyter, we are going to use Anaconda Navigator, okay. Let me show you how to download this. You can see, you can just go to anaconda.com/download. So here you can see that is a free installation. It is totally free, okay. So here you can see the download option. You can download for the Windows or your Apple or Linux, okay. At one point of time it will take very long time and you might think that this installation got stuck, but don't need to worry about it. It will take like 15 or 10 to 15 minutes, okay. So because this is like kind of complex thing, so don't worry about it. And if you find any difficulty, you can always come into the comment section. Once you download and install it, you will get these many things. Wait, I'll show you the proper, it will look like this, okay. You can see there are a lot of multiple things we can access from here, but we will focus on this Jupyter Notebook. When you will click on launch button, you will get things like this, okay. This is your local host. You will get this page. It will open automatically in your default browser. I would suggest you to go on Google Chrome. You can see the new button. When you go on this Python 3, this kind of thing, okay, and here you can write your code. Let me write print hello world, and you can press this run button or shift plus enter, okay. If I'll press shift plus enter, you can see the result will come here, okay. I would recommend Jupyter Notebook for the Python language, okay. Yes, in this video I just want to tell you about this thing, because once you will be having your own Jupyter Notebook, it would be easy for you to practice on it. In next session we will start studying about the some basic things in the Python, okay. So let's meet in the another video. Thank you.